Hey guys, welcome to George's channel, Do It Yourself. So, yesterday, unfortunately, I broke my toilet handle. You see it was plastic and it has a green part as well. And today I decided to go to B&Q and replace it with the metal one. So it looks like this. And it has, instead of green part, it has a black part. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use a screwdriver and unscrew that screw which is in the green part. And now I can do it by hand. I'm gonna use adjustable spanner. First make sure that this is the right size so you can use it like this. Then you put it inside here. And bear in mind, if it is not so tight, you can do it by hand. I need to unattach this. So I had difficulties to remove this one from here because underneath of this metal thing there was stuff stuck. So what I did, I used a screwdriver and removed all the excess which was there. And now I can easily take it off. The next thing I'm gonna do is remove this green thing from here. This, what I need to do is keep on unscrewing. And voila, it's up. In order to add this shiny new handle, first I will have to unscrew this thing as well from here so it can fit in the hole, because as you can see it will not. I unscrewed the white thing and let's go inside. What I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna use the black rubber thing from the previous one so it tightens up. Added the black rubber thing and I used adjustable spanner. The next thing you need to do is add the black lifter. So make sure that you don't put it this way because you need to screw it on top of that and the screw. So I'm gonna put it through the hole here and then into here, and that's it. When you are putting the black lifter on, make sure your handle is like this. So the last thing I need to do is add the screw here. Screwing the last screw and let's try it. Are you ready to check if this works? I got this handle from B&Q, which was £5.27. At the back of the bag of this flush toilet handle, there's measurements how long it is. So mine is 86.5 millimeters. There was 105 millimeters as well, which is a longer one. And it comes also with the instruction manual. So bye bye old flush handle, and hello new silky silver one. So for those who are trying to do this method and change the flush toilet handle by themselves, best of luck, and those who did it, well done guys!